MRecktv.
It's going down Friday, January 31st. MRecktv presents Ladies Night Out.
Wallo from $1 Million Worth of Game podcast sends Cameron and Jim Jones a heartfelt message. He posted on Instagram, "I'm writing this letter from a place of deep admiration and respect from my prison cell. I witnessed something truly incredible, the bond and brotherhood the two shared through BET, MTV, college radio, XXL, The Source, and so many other platforms. You brought Harlem's energy to the world in a way that nothing was short of legendary. The connection between you brothers was unmatched. The energy, the swag, the culture, it was magnetic. Watching you both rise together gave people like me something to admire and hold on to, even in the tough times. Straight up, I hate seeing the distance now, because what you two had was more than music. It was a movement. I'm sitting here catching a cold, but before I lay it down tonight, I had to get this off my chest. I needed to let you know how much I appreciated everything you shared with us all. Y'all embodied that Harlem pride and made it feel like we were all part of something bigger. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving us that. I truly believe that tomorrow can be better than yesterday, and I'm holding on to the hope that you two can find that brotherhood again. I love y'all, and I'll forever respect the impact you've made. Love and respect." It couldn't have been said better. Salute, Wallo.
Yo, what's good?
What's going on, Mase? Salute. Hold on, y'all. I need everybody to fall back on the calls. So, what you got to say to the people?
I wanted to just call up and say, I really appreciate your show and all that you do. And just real quickly, I wanted to put this out there because I think the real issue is that everybody just jumps the gun. You know what I'm saying? People talk without having the information correctly.
Correct.
Me being the person that I am, let me see what I can say. I can say that, none of this would have happened if they would have just spoke. You know what I'm saying? My reason for eating popcorn is because if I try to get y'all together and y'all don't want to talk to each other, there's nothing for me to say. That's what I can say. So you got to understand, a person like me, it is in my power to get everybody together. It is in my power to say, to at least make the attempt, but you can't make people talk. And I try to do what I think somebody should have did for me when I wasn't present, is put us all together and say, yo, y'all need to work this out because we're embarrassing ourselves. That's how I personally feel. So all I could do is just sit there. Well, I can't scream at him. I can't scream at this person. My focus is always to put Cam in a better place. And if Jim wanted to be a part of it, Jim could have been a part of it, but it got to be a little different. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. At the end of the day, Cam is my brother, and I want the best for Jim and Cam. You know what I'm saying? It don't look good, and it ain't right. You know what I'm saying?
No doubt.
And I wish somebody would have did this for me 30 years ago. That's what I really wish. I wish somebody would have did this to me instead of doing what I hear people doing on here. Just saying, oh, Mase could have did it. You don't know if Mase did that. You know what I'm saying? You're just saying what you believe. But now you know for sure. Mase did try to reach out and put everybody together. But it's hard to put people together when I'm still getting attacked. And I'm trying to put y'all together because I know the bigger picture. But that's it. All love.
Well, I got to ask you one question, bro. Got to ask you one question, man.
I don't want to do no interview. I gave you enough.
It's not an interview, but this is Reck though. This Reck though. You know what I'm saying? The livest nigga that never put out no personal stuff we did to the media because you had that trust with me. You know what I'm saying? Now, with Jim Jones the day that you taught him how to rap? Do you?
I can't answer all of that because I don't. You know, I'm not on messy time. I'm not on messy time because no matter what I say, somebody gonna spin it a different way. What I wanted to say here is that before everything got out of control, Mase, as being a grown man, tried to get two other grown men on the phone and say, "Yo, let's talk. Let's get on the phone. Let's get together." Whether they chose to honor that, that's on them, and that's why we are where we are. But Mase was not there for the interview, for any of the interviews. So niggas keep bringing my name up when I could feel a way, but I don't feel a way about any of this. I don't feel a way about any of this because it's 30 years old. Cam has come out and said he thought that, you know, it was a misunderstanding between me and him. So that validates that whatever everybody thought about Mase or felt about Mase was incorrect. And I don't want y'all to give me an apology, but please stop putting my name in stuff after Cam told you it was a misunderstanding. And I didn't have no money. I never took advantage of nobody.
Could you ask?
You know what I'm saying?
Can you answer this?
So
yes or no?
let me just say what I want to say because it's going to be enough in that.
Okay.
I get Cam the deal. He gets a lot of money. I don't get anything from that. Me and Cam is great. You get what I'm saying? So I didn't get anything from his deal, so there's no way I could have done him wrong. You understand what I'm saying? And I tried my best to put him on a No Way Out tour, and that went good. And Cam went on to have a great career, and Jim went on to have a great career. And all of it starts with me. And I didn't get anything from either one of them and never asked for anything for any one of them. I want both of them to be the best, and I want us all to move on. And that's why I wasn't a part of whatever interviews that went forth, because I don't do that. I do sports and I do music. I don't do the other stuff.
Got you. So
I gotta go. All love, my nigga.
It's all love, my nigga. We build. So look, now you gotta understand. Now Mase, he's always tapped in. Like I told y'all, shouts to Ace. You know what I mean? He let y'all know y'all thought bro was playing. Nah, that's my nigga. Now, also, you gotta know Mase knows, M.Reck gonna put me in a hot seat. You know what I mean? I'm glad he did that. I'm glad he cleared the air. Let's just say that.
MRecktv exclusive.
It's going down Friday, January 31st. MRecktv presents Ladies Night Out. We need all the ladies to pop out. It's going to be a night of fun, laughter, and entertainment. We got comedians and singers such as Erica Nicole Clark, Ray Diva, and R&B vocalist Gina Rose, and more. It's going down at the La Familia Soundstage in Baltimore, Maryland. Make sure you get your tickets now on eventbrite.com. We also got DJ Moschino killing it on the ones and twos, plus a special performance by M.Reck. Doors open at 8 p.m.
Ladies Night, sponsored by Shantae Stanley at Inshore with Shantae. Peace.
Forbidden Secrets.
How you planning for Friday? Hey.
Hey, baby.
Mwah. Toast to you, my dear friend.
A blue chinchilla drag across the floors. Her nigga been in love, but she like me more. You ain't from around here, is you? Just passing through.
Is that right? Well, maybe I could show you how us Gary girls get down.
Thought you said this was the hood, not a war zone.
You see that? That's the demon house niggas out here been talking about. Y'all know the M.Reck room etiquette. Peace. You now tuned in to MRecktv.
What if someone wasn't on protocol?
There are consequences.
MRecktv.